Hello everyone, welcome to Onsite. In this video, we will look at the CRM module of Onsite application. So in the CRM module, we will see how to create a new lead, how you can assign your leads to a salesperson, and how you can manage your sales funnel. So let's go ahead and create a new lead. Let's say I have received a new lead and I will assign it to one of my salesperson. I will assign it to Anjali Bajaj. In the lead type, I will enter the client information. In this particular lead, it's a 2 BHK full home interior work. I will add the details of the contact here. So the client's name is Rajesh Mishra. I will add his phone number. I will add his email ID. In case if this is a B2B lead, I can add the company details. In that case, this is not a B2B lead, this is a B2C lead, so I will not add the company name. I will add his address. I can add the source from where I source this lead. This was a referral to me, so I'll put it in as a referral. I can add different type of categories to categorize to segment my leads. This is a full home interior work, so I will add a full home interior lead. I can add lead status. So this particular lead, this will be at a proposal stage. This is a new lead. It will be at a proposal stage. I can add priority. So this is a high priority lead since it's a referral lead. I spoke to the client yesterday, so my last contacted date was yesterday, and client is expecting quotation by 5th of September. So that is the follow-up date I will put it in. Then he is looking to close it soon, probably by mid of September. So I will put 15 September as the closure date. And client's budget, he told me, is 24 lakh rupees. So I will add that as the budget. In the description, I can add any notes I have. So here, let's say so I can put in all the relevant information in the description that will help Anjali prepare the quotation. I'll just save it. So this lead is created. So that is how you can create a new lead, and you can assign it to a salesperson. Now you can, in this particular page, you can see all the different leads that we have created in my company up until now. I can filter these leads by the salesperson. So for instance, for Anjali, I have assigned her all these leads. This is the status for each one of these leads were received from different sources. Let's say if I want to see how this work is going on at Cinema Construction, I can just click on it. I can see if I have to add a comment, I can just mention a comment here. I can see the quotations that have been created for this particular lead up until now, and I'll click on this to see. I can see the quotation in detail. If I have to edit this quotation, I can just go here and edit this. If I have to download the quotation, I can just download this here. So yeah, that's how you manage the sales funnel. Thank you.